Hi, we continue solving our task. Now let's check linked lists, right? And our task is to return only one sorted list that is the result of merging of all individual linked lists here. Nice. So what I can say, so here I can say that we have this list, right? And we can have different sizes of this list, and we should put and merge them together. And we see that the number of lists is 1000. So, and number of elements is 100 maximum. So actually 1000 over 100, it's not a big number, it's 10 in 5 power. So what we can do, we can just go through each of our lists, right? And to create the new list. So why it should be complex, I don't know. So first of all, maybe we can create from this list that we have here, maybe we can create an array list of pairs where we have like an index and pair. So we can create like a list of pair. From pair we have integer, like the starting index. And also we have I think we even can have like, we don't need to create new one. We can create indexes, and here it will be just indexes of each lists. So we just have a size here, even not size, but a length, right? And then we iterate. We have also results like list node. List node result, and here new list node. So we just create new node here. And also we have the current node, of course. So here it will be current that is equal to result. And what we are doing here, we should iterate while we should iterate right through. So here it would be I index -1, and while I is not equal to -1, we should do all these operations, and then we should return our result. So here we should find minimum. So by find minimum, we iterate over each of our lists, right? We iterate every time of each of our lists. But here, I think it's bad practice. What? Yeah, because here we need like, we iterate once, and then once again. So we have 10 in 5 power for one element, and then we have again, so it would be time overflow here, I believe. But what we can do another way, we can try to merge our arrays. So we have list, and what we have do, like we already have, like we should like do like merge sort here and try to merge them together. So let's imagine that we have a kind of list 1, then we have list 2 and list 3 and list 3. So what we are doing here, so we want to merge actually all these lists started from the beginning to the end. So we have our lists, then we have index 0 and lists length -1, and then we want to merge it to the list node. So let's return here merge function. So here we have list node, and then we have merge function. Here in merge function we have all these lists, and here we have I and J. So which we want to merge together, and here we have the following. So if I is equal to J, then we just return lists I, because like one list it's already merged list, right? Then we want to call a merge function over lists where I is going to the middle. So we calculate some middle element. A middle element would be J minus I divided by 2 plus I, and here it would be mid, and then it would be merge from mid +1 to lists lengths -1. And here we have two list nodes that we want to, let's call it left, and also we have right. Yes, so we have two list nodes that we want to merge. And now let's together merge them into the result list node. So we have, let's call it result, so new list node, and then we need to have like current equal to result, and then we need to do this merge function, and then we need to return this result. So merge function would be while left not equal to null and right not equal to null. So what we are doing here, so if left value is greater than right value, else, so if left, then we take into the current value equal, can I do like this? Yeah, I think I can do like this. So current value equal to right value, and here the current value equal to left value, and then here I do like current current equal to yeah, because I have current value equal to result. Yeah, so here I need to merge them together. So I need to create some, well, so yeah, so this result, yes. So here I create a new node, like and a node, right? Then and node equal to val, and current next equal to n node, and current equal to current next. I don't know, something like this. Yes, something like this. And then while left not equal to null, I'm doing the same. I'm like create here with left value, and and doing the same here. Here while right is not equal to null, I also do in the same way, but with right here, and also here I need to do like right equal to right next. Here the same, and here I need to do left equal to left next, and also here the same. So yeah, so this is actually the separate function where I need to merge these two things into this one thing. So let's call this function like let's call this function as why it's not copy. Okay, merge list, where I have two list node, left and right. Then I have this function here. I think even this function. Okay, and here I return merge list with left and right. So let's debug this code first. So let's imagine I have like 3 lists here, and then I go from 0 to 2. Let's say that even I have like 4 lists. Okay, so I have 4 lists here. So from 0 to 3, so I see that one is not, then I calculate mid. In my case, mid, it would be 3 minus 0, 1 plus 0, it would be 1. So I get like 1 from 0 to 1, right? From 0 to 1, so I go here, then I calculate the medium. Middle would be 0 and 0, so here it would be 0, right? So here it would be 0, middle 0, so I actually return this first 0, list 0, then I go here, so from here I have 0 and 1, and I go from 0 and 1. So I think it's this one, should be not, it should be J to j. Yes, not to lengths, but to j. And then here it would be like 0 and 1. So here it would be like 1 and 0 and 1. And here it would be neat plus 1. So it should be like at least 1 here. So then I have these two optional elements and I return merge of these two functions. So let's try to run this. So we have run answer here. And you output 0, 0, 0, but expected this one. Yeah, so the problem here is that we should return next. And we return array out of bound. So this one is correct. But here out of bound on 25. Index 0 out of bound. How it can be out of bound? And in which key? When it's empty. When it's empty. Yeah, it's good case. You actually can check if list size is equal to 0, then we just return null from here. Not size, but length. So we have accepted. We can visualize our code. Can I put it somewhere? Submit. Okay. And we are done. Guys, we are done. We are done with hard task today. And we definitely do it very cool with merge sort. It was the first attempt to have complex solution. So I'm cool today. I'm super proud of myself. Yeah, we have discussion. Why does the recommended time complexity and login? I came up with a heap approach on my, so I'm getting better at this. Not logically hard, just need to write a lot of code. Min heap, just the best solution. Yeah, I don't think that min heap. Do you have solutions here? It's neetcode, okay. Guys, we were solving this inside the neetcode, so I propose to move this logic to lead code. Yeah, so let's go to the lead code. Okay, and run from here and submit. Yep, we are done. Let's check our submissions. Yeah, we also done it, I think, the same way, right? Yeah, so the same way with merge. Even, I think, better than this, right? Better than this. Okay, yeah, so I don't think that it's kind of hard task, but definitely cool task. So that's it for today. Thank you.